So if you guys want to see how I made this big pot of beef pumpkin soup, you just continue to watch this video. Guys, I'm telling you, just look at this soup. It tastes good, it look good, and it smell good. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And share this video to your family and to your friend. Because you know your girl Jody appreciate all your support. Stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some beef soup. So here I have 2 packets of beef, and guys, this beef I buy it from the supermarket. I normally would buy my meat from the meat shop, but the shop was closed, so I have to go to the supermarket instead. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, it is diced beef. Okay, so here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 2.5 cups of warm water. So now I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you just want to stir it. Okay, now I'm just gonna add my beef, and I'm gonna allow my beef to cook for at least 40 minutes. I washed my beef already. I wash it with lemon juice. So I'm just covering my pot. Make sure your stove is on a low heat, okay? So these are some of my other ingredients. Here I have some pumpkin. So this is half a pumpkin, guys. And as you can see, I cut it up in dices. These are my carrot. I've got at least 4 carrot. So that's what it look like. I'm telling you, all this color just look amazing. I also have potato, otherwise called as Irish potato. So that's 2. And I also have some chow. So this is 1 chow, guys. And as you can see, I cut it up also. So this is what it look like. Okay. So these are my other ingredients. Here I have my green banana, and I have 4 green banana. As you can see, I cut it because I don't want it to be too big because I'm doing soup. So that's the reason why I cut it up. And I also have some white yam right there, and that's half of yam, okay? And I also cut my yam in pieces. So after 40 minutes, that's what my beefs look like. It is not fully cooked, it just halfway cooked. And guys, the reason why I cook my beef first is because beef can take so long to cook unless you're gonna pressure it. And sometimes some foam leave on top of it, and I don't want that in my soup. so I'm just gonna remove all the water from it. So guys, here I have my pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 3 cups of water. So now I'm gonna add my pumpkin, and you're just gonna allow your pumpkin to cook until it became very soft. So you can always add some salt to it, at least a teaspoon of salt. Then you want to give it a stir. So my pumpkin is cooked. As you can see, it is soft. So now I'm just gonna add my beef to my pot. Before I add my beef to the pot, I'm gonna add some water. I'm adding at least 1 cup of water because sometimes the water tends to reduce. Okay, so now I'm just adding my beef. So now I'm just adding some seasoning to my pot. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of pimento seed, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Okay? Then you just want to blend it all together. The garlic powder wasn't in the bowl as yet, but I just want to tell you guys to add it, okay? Because I don't want to forget. So now I'm gonna add my carrot, and I'm also gonna add my chocho. And I'm just gonna allow it to cook, guys, just for now, for at least 10 minutes on a low heat, okay? And I'm also gonna cover my pot. So these are my rest of my ingredients. Here I have a Grace cock flavor soup mix, and I also have a Grace pumpkin soup mix, and I'm gonna put some corns in my soup, some spring onion, a scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh thyme. So that's the amount that I'm using, okay? So now I'm gonna need my flour. So here I have 1 cup of plain flour in my bowl right there. And to my flour, I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of salt. So after you add your salt, you just wanna take your hand and just mix it all around so the salt will combine in the flour, okay? So now as you can see, I make a hole in my flour, and I'm just gonna take my time and add some water to it. I'm adding some more water, and guys, you're just gonna take your hand and just knead it all around, okay? Just mix it like you're massaging basically. So this is what your dough should be looking like, and if it need any more flour, if it's too sticky, you can also add just a bit of plain flour to it, okay? I use at least one cup to half a cup of water. So my dough is finished, and that's what it look like. Guys, if you want, you can add some cornmeal to your plain flour, okay? So after 10 minutes, that's what my soup look like. So now I'm gonna add my Grace cock soup flavor mix and my Grace pumpkin soup flavor mix. And guys, as you can see, I have a strainer right there because I don't want the noodle to get in my soup. Nah, I don't really like it like that, but this is totally optional. I saw someone do it this way, and I thought it's a good idea. And ever since, I'm doing it the same way. But guys, it is totally optional, okay? You can also use a fork and you just take your strainer and just put it right in your soup and you're just gonna press on it so all the soup flavor mix get right through the strainer. So as you can see, all the noodle is right there. That's why I don't want to get into my soup, guys. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Nah, that's a no-no for me. So now you just want to stir it. Just make sure everything is all combined. Guys, I'm telling you, my soup starting to look amazing. It looks so yummy. So now I'm gonna add my yam, my Irish potato, and my green banana. I know what you guys may be thinking. You all may be thinking, oh, our pot need to change. It is so full. But don't worry. Jody cooking have everything under control. You hear me? Everything I have under control. It will be fine. So now I'm gonna add my dumpling to the pot. So I'm gonna add some spinners and some rounders, the round one them. But I'm not gonna make my dumpling too big, guys. I want it to be small. Okay? So you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna roll it. Okay? I'm gonna add my spring onions and I'm also gonna add my thyme. Guys, as you can see, I scrunch up my spring onions in my hand so all the flavor will come through. That's exactly how me used to see my grandmother do it. Miss Walker, may I tell you, rest in peace. Yes, my grandmother. And as you can see, I break up my thyme also and I add my scotch bonnet pepper. Then you just want to stir it all together. And you can also press on your pumpkin, okay? So it is all dissolved. So now I'm adding my corns And guys, I'm gonna allow my soup to cook for at least 30 minutes to 35 minutes, okay? And make sure your stove is on a low heat. You can always taste to your liking. If it need any salt, any seasoned salt, any all-purpose seasoning, you can always add, okay? So finally guys, my soup is all finished and that's what it look like. It smell good, it look good, and it tastes good. Guys, please share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification button so you can receive more delicious videos like these. I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Before I plate it up, as you can see, the banana is not mashed up in the pot and the yam is not mashed out in the pot either. And the soup have a nice body to it. It's not too thick and it's not too watery either. That's exactly how I want it. The banana came out so soft and so nice, and the yam also. It was perfect, guys. So I've got my bowl right there, guys. So now I'm just plating up my soup. I'm gonna add the hard food first and then I add my soup after. Add in my meat, because you know your girl like a lot of meat. So now I'm taking my soup spoon and I'm adding my soup. Guys, comment below and tell me what's your favorite soup to have. My favorite soup is red pea soup with what I meat they call again? With pigtail. Pigtail and beef. Yeah, or salted beef. That's my favorite soup. And I also like chicken foot soup. Yeah. And I also like chicken back soup and fish tea soup. Yeah, those are all my favorite to have. Sometimes I like to crush on my scotch bonnet pepper, so more flavor will add to my soup. Yeah. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye, stay blessed.